For this project you will need some stretchable fabric. I'm going to use a 4-way stretch polyester, the fold-over elastic, the threads, some flat elastic or the spaghetti strap, the needles to pin the fabric, the scissors, something to lace up the top. I'm going to use the rhinestones. Also, you will need to have the lighter, the piece of chalk to outline the pattern, and the pattern. You'll find the link in the description box below. Fold your fabric in half. On top of the fold, place the pattern. Outline everything by using your chalk and after cut it off. You will need to have 2 front elements and 1 back element. On the front element, split this place on 5 equal parts. After, grab the spaghetti strap or the flat elastic, and how to make the strap I'll show you later in this video. Next, make the small loops and place them on the marks. Then cut the amount you need. So you will need 10 straps like this. Next, fold the strap in half, exactly the same way like you see me doing here, and after melt it with the lighter. To make the spaghetti strap, you need to cut the fabric strap 3 cm wide. Then fold it in half, face to each other, and after sew here. When you finish to sew, it should look this way. After, sew one more time here. Grab the scissors and cut off the excess of the fabric. Grab the needle. You can use the big one or you can use any standard needle you have at home. Then put the threads inside of the needle and block it by making few knots. You need to place the needle with this side inside of the strap. And after, reverse the strap on the right side. And when you finish, your strap should look this way. To press the strap, you can use the iron, but I love to use my hair straightener. I find this more comfortable. If you are using the straightener as me, just place the strap inside and press it. This is what I have and I'm quite happy with the result. I'll press it a few more times so I can make it as flat as I can. So here is my 10 loops and I need to place them on top of the marks. And after sew them here on the sewing machine. On top of the front element, place the back element, face to each other. Then grab the second layer of the front element and with the face down, place it on top. After, pin everything together with the needles. Now go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here and here. Move the back element inside exactly the same way like you see me doing here. Then you need to align the front elements together and after pin everything with the needles. Next, go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here. Remove the threads you used to sew the front elements together. Reverse the top on the right side and after cut off the threads. Go and press your top everywhere with the iron. After, grab the fold-over elastic and sew it on here, here, and here. In this place, keep the free space of the elastic, I'll say around 2-3 centimeters. This is the fold-over elastic, and you see this line in the middle? This is the fold place of the elastic. So, fold the elastic in half, place it under the needle, and start to sew without any fabric inside. Then, grab the fabric and place it inside. And carry on sewing. By the way, do not stretch the fabric, stretch a little bit only the elastic. When you come to the end, keep sewing the elastic without any fabric inside. This is what I meant by saying keep the free space of the elastic. Place the fabric in the middle of the elastic. Fold it this way and sew here. Grab the scissors and cut off the threads. And also cut a little bit the elastic, the same way like you see me doing here. After, place the fabric inside of the elastic and keep sewing. When you finish to sew on the elastic, it should look this way. Next, grab the scissors and cut off the elastic as much closer to the threads as you can. Do the same on the opposite side. Grab the lighter and eliminate the fluffiness of the elastic. Grab the elastic and fold it this way. You need to make a small loop. Better go to your sewing machine and sew here. Cut off the leftover of the elastic. After, eliminate the fluffiness by using the lighter. Next, grab whatever you choose to lace up your top with, and for me it's going to be this beautiful rhinestone chain, but you can use the spaghetti strap as well. Just pick what you want and lace up your top. And this is what I have. You can use different types of fabric, it can be non-transparent in the back, and also you can lace it up with whatever you want. And here on the side you can see how it looks with the spaghetti strap.